What I wish I knew when my Ford F150 keypad stopped working. Here's the quick fix you need. Alright, let's dive right in. First thing to check? The batteries in your key fob. Sometimes a dead fob battery can mess with the keypad function. Replace it and see if that helps. If it's not the battery, it could be a simple reset. Start by unlocking your truck using the physical key. Enter the factory code on the keypad. You can find this code either in your owner's manual or on a card in your glove box. Once you enter the code, press and hold the 1-2 button for about 5 seconds. This should reset the system. Now try entering your personal code. Did it work? Great. If not, don't worry. Next step. Check the fuse. Locate the fuse box under the hood and find the fuse for the keypad. If it's blown, replace it and test the keypad again. Still no luck? It might be a wiring issue. Inspect the wiring under the driver's side dashboard. Look for any loose or damaged wires and fix them if needed. If all else fails, it might be time to visit your dealership. They can diagnose and fix more complex issues. And there you have it. Quick and easy steps to troubleshoot your Ford F150 keypad. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. See you next time.